that's where we find Fox 4's Caitlin Knapp live now. And Caitlin, it looks like you have a break in the rain, but boy, is that going to change over the next few hours.
Yeah, definitely. The rain has really been back and forth at times. Like right now, it's pretty light, but then other times, as you can see, because I am drenched, it gets really heavy with this rain. Marco Island is actually under a flood advisory from now until 8 o'clock tonight. However, with this tropical system, anything can change in a matter of seconds. I did speak to the Marco Island's Public Works Manager, Michael Daniel. He says they worked on some areas today to put a roadway underwater signs up for drivers on Marco Island. So far, as the flooding goes, Daniel told me the storm drain systems are doing exactly what they're intended to do. However, some areas are just prone to flood more than others. Daniel says part of the reason is because Marco Island is only about 4.5 feet above high tide, and the threat of rip currents is in place again through Sunday morning.
Of course, there's always that perfect storm where tide is high and the water's coming down hard. Well, that's just physics. You know, we got to have somewhere for the water to go.
Now, even though the rain is coming down at times, you still have time to take in anything that can float. Here's why that's important. Daniel says those items can end up in the drains and clog the system. And not only that, the wind is really starting to pick up here on Marco Island. So not only can those items float away, but it can also blow away as well. Those winds are really going to ramp up tonight. We'll be out here on Fox 4 at 10 and 11 to bring you the latest here in Collier County. Reporting live on Marco Island, Caitlin Knapp, Fox 4.